Okay, welcome everybody. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shulavadi Pashata Deshatarine Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivas Adi Gaura Bhaktaranda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna everybody. Now you can unmute if anybody wants. Hare Krishna.
Hare
SS.
Krishna Prabhuji.
What is
Hare Krishna
SS?
Prabhu.
SS.
Shreya
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Sangam.
Welcome, Madhavi. Take care. Now, today we will do 16th chapter. Now we are now almost nearing the end. 16, 17, 18. Okay. Devasura Sampada Vibhaga Yoga. Sampat. Sampat also means nature. Sampat also means wealth. So what is the wealth of a asura? And what is the wealth of a sura? That we'll understand. Vibhaga, different. They are different assets. Different. This is for suras. Krishna speaks in one line. Fearlessness, that is the first thing of a sura. This is actually quality not for all the varnas and ashramas. What is very nicely divided is that these qualities are for, okay, what is the problem? Oh, 10 to 12 round, very nice. Mataji, try 60. Now
Yes,
another
Prabhu.
round is coming. Gayatri Mataji, lot of people have registered for Telugu. Okay,
Yes,
you
Prabhu.
can also share among your friend, uh,
Yes, Prabhu. I'm doing
friend
it.
circle, everybody, because next round also we can have good registration and we can enthusiastically do service. Okay, it's free service, so they can join. What is their 18 days? And
Yes,
you
Prabhu.
almost did it, but it was very taxing every day coming. Or you want still continue every day class, or in a weekend we can have a class. You know all that the registration is going on for the
Yes,
next
Prabhu.
batch. Uh, just remind me, Gayatri Mataji, two, three things I have to do after I finish this class. Let me finish this. It's a simple class.
Yes, Prabhu.
So fearlessness is quality. Not for everybody can be fearless. A sannyasi should be fearless. No, you cannot be say I am very advanced and be fearful now, because somebody is fearful will not show any quality. Because fear means will take emergency, and emergency there is no quality. Will exploit other people. Like a drowning man will catch anybody. Therefore, drowning person they keep away. Purification once existence, yes, that's the business of a sannyasi. Cultivation spiritual knowledge, yes, that is also for him. Charity, now charity is for grihastha. Sannyasi now cannot do charity, he has no money. Grihastha is charity, he is helping the work. Self-control. Self-control means because grihastha has all the opportunity, he has wealth, he has family, he should control himself, not get too much involved in material affairs. Performance of sacrifice. Hmm. Study of the Veda. This is for brahmachari. Something for sannyasi, something for grahastha, something for brahmachari. Study of the Veda. We have to study. Daily learn. Austerity. It should be very simple. Austere. Non-violence. Okay, he should practice all that. Truthfulness. Freedom from anger. Renunciation. Okay. Tranquility. Aversion to fault finding. These are very good qualities. So there's a very deep meaning. Fault finding is just like I come to your place and I am taking your temperature. That is kind of trying to find fault in you. Correct? What is the temperature? What is temperature? Means I'm trying to find fault in you. But you do not mind when doctor does that because he's going to benefit you after that. He's going to cure you after that. But a common man just comes to your house, takes a temperature and goes to the host, hey, 103, What is the point? Why you're wasting your time and wasting his time? So that is called fault finding. We just want to find fault in somebody to make fun of it. Why? Why? Why you want to do that? If you are a doctor, you want to cure him, then you can find fault with him. Otherwise, correct? Otherwise, what's the business? It's a very good argument. Take a freedom from anger, renunciation, tranquility, aversion for compassion for all the living entities. We should have compassion for living entities. Prabhupada says, devotee cannot see other people suffering. Freedom from covetousness, gentleness, modesty, steady determination, vigor, forgiveness, uh, fortitude, cleanliness, freedom from envy, passion for honor, freedom from all these things are transcendental qualities. O son of Bharata, belong to godly men and know the divine nature. Godly people don't become angry, they're controlled. Very rare cases they may become angry if you insult the Lord. Like Hanuman burnt whole Lanka, that anger is welcome. If you offend the Lord, a Vaishnava will not be able to tolerate, isn't it? How much angry Hanuman was, how much angry Narsimhadev was when they tried to hurt Prahlad. That anger is in a rare circumstance. Otherwise, you should keep anger under control. Okay, we can proceed now. Anybody has any question on this? Arrogance, pride, anger, conceit, harshness, these qualities belong to those who are demonic. Just like Nambodharpabhimanascha krodha parusham cha agyaram cha vijatasya partha sampadamasuri. Devi sampada vimokshaya nivadnya asuri mata. Mahasucha sampadam devim avijato asipannava. The transcendent qualities that conduct to liberation, whereas the demonic qualities make a bondage. Do not worry, O son of Pandu, for you are born with divine qualities. So you can see these four kind of people we discuss, never surrender to God, four kind of people who surrender to God. The four kind of people who do not surrender to God are like demonic people. They don't surrender. But four kind of divine people easily come to take Lord's shelter. Okay? So we should not cultivate demonic quality. Oh, son of Prita, there are two kinds of created being. One is called divine, other is called demonic. I rightly explained to you at length the divine qualities. Now hear from me the demonic. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha janana vidurasuraha na shaucham na pichacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Those who are demonic do not know what is to be done, what is not to be done. And the cleanness, the proper behavior, not what is found in them. Asatyam, okay, understood? Nothing you can find. No cleanliness, no proper. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha janana asura. They don't know what is to be done, what is not to be done. They do reverse. We give them something nice, liquor, they will drink it. They don't know it's not supposed, and they give them some milk. Don't take milk now. You kept it. Don't take milk. Why, Baba? This is good for you. They don't know what is to be done, what is not to be done. We can have hundreds of examples. Society is misled. They say this word is unreal and there is no asatyam apratishtam te jagadahu anishwaram. They don't agree God is there. They are demonic. Aparaspara sambhutam kimanyat kam haitukam. There is no foundation, there is no God, and it produces sex with that, and there is no cause other than lust. By following such conclusion, demonic were lost to themselves, who have no intelligence, engaged in unbeneficial, horrible work meant to destroy the world. And these people went together and made a nuclear bomb. Not good. Simply disturb. Already people are dying. What is your contribution? You're making people die more. Do something that people do not die. The demonic taking shelter, insatiable lust, pride, and false pursuits, and being illusion, always want to unclean work, attracted by the impermanent. They believe to gratify the senses unto the end of life with the prime necessity. There is no end to their anxiety, being bound by 100,000 desires, by lust and anger. They secure money by illegal means for sense gratification. The demonic person thinks, so much wealth do I have today? They become demons actually. See how much pain they are giving to one woman. They don't even know. Crazy. So goal of life is to enjoy the senses. That's demon. And what's the goal of life for a devotee? To see God face to face. To become purified first and then see God face to face. Demons don't care for all that. So much wealth in my now, it will increase in the future more and more. He is my enemy and I've killed him, and many enemies will also be killed. I'm the Lord of everything. I'm the enjoyer. I'm perfect, powerful, and happy. I'm the richest man surrounded by aristocratic relatives. There is none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices. I shall give some charity. And thus I shall do. In this way, the persons are deluded by ignorance. Thus, perfects are various anxieties and bound by natural illusion. One becomes so strongly attached to sense enjoyment, too strongly, and falls down into hell. Goes crazy. Bewildered by false ego, strength, mind, lust, anger, the demons become envious of Supreme Personality Godhead, who is situated in their own body and the body of others, and blaspheme against real religion. Those who are envious and mischievous, who are the lowest of men, are cast by me into the ocean of material existence in the various demonic species of life. Attaining repeated birth among the species of demonic like such persons cannot approach me. Gradually they sink down to the most abominable species of life. Trividam narakashyadam dvaram nashanam atmanaha kama krodha tatha lobhas tasmat etat trayam taje. There are three gates leading to hell: lust, anger, and greed. Every sane man should give that these are for they lead to degradation of the soul. The man will escape the three gates. Okay, this is clear. Three gates of hell: lust, anger, and greed. Okay, we should try to be careful. Krishna is warning, don't get trapped. The man who escaped the three gates of hell, O son of Kunti, performs act conducive for self-realization and attain the supreme destination. So you want to go up, you accept, take shelter of an acharya, study the Vedas, do some tapasya, control the senses, develop spiritual knowledge, and Radha Krishna are waiting. But instead of going up, we want to go down. That is our foolishness. Yes, Shastra Vidya Usritya Vartate Kama Karataha Tata Siddhi Mavapnoti Na Shanti Param Gati. So we don't take care of the scriptural injunction, act according to our own whims. Please be careful, careful. यह शास्त्र विदम उससे जय वर्तते काम कारतः न तस्यति मावाप्नोति न सुखम च पराम गति. He discard the scripture and act according to own will's perfection, neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. One should understand what is duty, what is not duty by regulation of the scripture. Knowing such duty in the regulation, one should act so that he may gradually be elevated. Okay, everybody can appreciate this point. So, therefore, what we should do? Shastra with them. Mostly people don't care what Shastra. Shastra, we should be very careful. You touch any rules of the Lord, the punishment is very severe. Like today, what we are seeing. People did not care. Huh? I can do whatever. See the Shastra with you. Material nature is so strong, so strong. We can never fight with material nature. Huh? Usrijya, you give up. And these are the activities which are forbidden. Intoxication forbidden. Illicit sex forbidden. Gambling forbidden. Meat eating forbidden. But people don't care. I don't care. Okay. And the reaction is very severe, very severe. We should see God has given us a chance to live independent of Him in this world, but we have to live dharmic way. If you live a dharmic way, the very purpose of the jail is gone. Then the army will enter the jail. The same severe punishments are there. Tasma Shastra Pramadamte Kare Kare Vyastau Jnana Shastra Vimo Vidhanoktam Karma Karatum Iharsi. One should understand what is duty, what is not duty, what the regulations of the scripture. Knowing such rules and regulations, one should act so that it gradually be elevated. So we should take care what Shastra is telling, what is supposed to be done, what is not supposed to be done, and we advance.